good with y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be showing you guys what it's like to daily drive a full bolt-on E85 Mustang. And I am pretty sure y'all are very aware by now. This is my full bolt-on 85 car. There's nothing special. It's actually really slow. I keep trying to tell y'all as much as I can. The car is slow. It's not as fast as everybody thinks it is. But maybe I'm used to it. Maybe I'm just used to it. But let's go on and get this ride along started, y'all. I'm just going to show y'all the struggles that I go with on a day-to-day basis. Because driving this car can be easy, but occasionally it likes to give me some issues. Let's see how much of a struggle this thing wants to give me right now. Trying to start this fucking car up. Watch. Crazy thing is, it's actually being nice for y'all today. It's actually being nice for y'all right now. It never starts up this easy, I promise. It'll always backfire and pop and do all types of crazy shit. All of right now, it's fine. Nothing. That's alright, whatever. This is a fake video. There's no way. This never happens. It's only doing it for the camera, I promise. Where your bitch ass going? Alright, guess it's going straight. I'm not even gonna lie. I love the way this car pulls sometimes. There's something, I swear I just love the way it pulls sometimes. I'm starting to think that maybe the car's just a little bit too loud, but I don't know. I could be tripping. You gotta love truck drivers, man. These motherfuckers think they just run this road, don't they? You know I'm gonna go that way. I saw you. That's going back to my house. I'm not going over there. Ah, I'll do it. I think there was a question that someone asked me, like they was wondering, like just because with all the, it's not even a lot of mods, nothing really like significant, but with just the mods that I have done, if there's anything different than when I drove when a car was stock. And honestly, the only difference that there is when I drove, the only difference there is with this car since it was stock is how loud it is now. Obviously the power, and I can rev without getting lockout. So if anything, the car's improved since stock. It hasn't really diminished or suffered from the mods that I've done. It still feels like drivability wise, it still feels stock. The only time it doesn't feel stock and it kind of like suffers is the cold starts. Because like I said, aside from this magically perfect cold start that y'all just experienced, the cold starts are usually brutal. They're usually brutal.
What up? Oh shit. It was good.
I have to leave.
They had to leave. You hung up. I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna just go hit the pit. It was hella people. Hello Jensen was there. A couple of other dudes. The other dude that just went viral yesterday was there.
That's right. Shit, I'm over here just recording this YouTube video right now.
So what? Oh yeah. All right, for sure.
Nah, you good? You can stay on if you want. I ain't tripping.
Yeah. How many people there?
I'm just doing it solo.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm just doing it solo. Just showing the people how it is driving a fucking full bolt-on E85 Mustang. That's it.
That's what's up, nigga. That nigga rolled the sidewalk like revolutions, bro. That nigga's a beast.
Hell yeah. I need to get back on that, man. I need to buy a bucket though. I don't know how they so comfortable doing that shit in them brand new cars.
Man, fuck that. Who cares?
I care. My pockets care. My bank account cares.
Right. Nigga, you gonna get sponsored. I'm talking to Mustang James. Another.
Who's Mustang? I don't know who that is. I don't know why you acting like they even supposed to know who I am. They don't know who I am.
They will know who you are. Nigga, I'm telling you. So when you do get famous, they're gonna be like, oh shit, that's who he was talking to on the phone that day. His name is James.
Right.
Right.
Man, that shit cutting in and out. That shit got making me feel like I got bad service.
Nah, that's probably me because I put the phone all the way down on my leg. Nigga, I'm just over here looking at bitches. Every time I see a bitch, I put the phone down. Where?
I was trying to race this Daytona, bruh, but I think I know whose Daytona that was. Well, not know him, but like, I think I seen her on like Snapchat or some shit.
Dude, that nigga gonna gut you, bruh.
Man, shut the. I ain't never lost to no scat pack. Get that out of here.
Daytonas are healthy.
Man, Daytonas are not healthy. The wide body Daytona, the fucking new ones are, but the Daytonas that I'm talking about are just 392s.
Oh, okay. Fuck. Woo, look at my baby over there. That ugly ass car. Gut your shit. You wanna race? Race right now. I got about 200 horsepower motors.
I swear, bro. You were fucking driving fast for no reason.
That nigga got lit.
Hey, let the people know, cause I'm putting this on the channel. So your 19 GT's gonna beat me?
What?
Your 19 Mustang, that shit's gonna beat me.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, okay. So just so y'all know, when I race Maniv's Mustang, I don't want it. Y'all remember what he said. I'm not even gonna say nothing. I already told him plenty of times. That Mustang ain't messing with this one.
Yeah, nigga, okay.
We gonna see though.
We're gonna see, nigga. I'm gonna take the beat out and I'm gonna put my motherfucking all I gotta do is take the beat out.
Alright, take that beat out then. Take that beat out.
Yeah. Then what? It's gonna be a whole different story.
Nah, it ain't gonna be no whole different story. That beat only about 80 pounds.
That beat is like 200 pounds.
Man, what box you got weigh 200 pounds?
Bro, I got custom box.
This nigga got a whole deadlift bar in his trunk.
You ain't gonna run me, bro.
Well, I'm gonna run your ass down. That's all I'm gonna say.
What's the fastest you ever been, bro?
Bro, it ain't about the top speed. It's about how fast you get there.
So we're gonna go 1 to 6. We're gonna go 60 to 130.
Nah, we're gonna do 40 to 140.
40 to 160 there.
40 to 160? Nah, we're gonna do 40 to 140, bro.
Make it fair. Make it fair.
We're gonna do because we're gonna do it in daytime, so we gotta be able to. There's gonna be traffic.
Yeah, there's plenty of over here. We can go 160. I was going 170.
Hey, bro, when we go 160, I might not stop in time. I'm gonna let you know right now.
Oh, now we already making excuses. We haven't even
excuses? What?
We haven't even raced.
Man,
making this
what's the point
bro.
if you already lost at 140? If you lost at 140, you ain't gonna win at 160.
Nigga, because my shit'll keep pulling.
Man, your shit gonna be back there. Looking at them tail lights. There's a GT right next to me, but he ain't gonna want to do nothing. I'm already knowing.
Right.
Look, the 5-0's pulling up on me right now. Oh, it's an old lady.
So what, huh?
There's grandma in there. I'm not finna mess with grandma, bro.
Anybody can get it, huh?
She chilling, bro.
Honk.
She chilling.
Honk the horn and then tell her go forward with the hand.
Bro, I'm not finna mess with grandma, bro.
Oh, you tripping.
I'm not messing with grandma, bro. You gotta respect your elders, man. I'm not finna disrespect her like that. But, alright, bro, I'll meet you back. Let me finish this video out.
Yeah.
Alright, dog. As y'all can see, the car is very, it's very chill, you know? It's not really, you can't tell it's modded. If I didn't tell nobody my car was modded, I guarantee you they wouldn't even know. You know, it's not even, there's really no difference. That be trying to like show you that they're fast, like just talking about little mom cars, bro, like little, man, you know, like a little Chevy Sonic or like a Volt or just anything that ain't supposed to be going fast, just take off on you for no reason. I get a lot of that. It's kind of weird. I usually don't even pay them no attention. I usually just, you know, let them do their thing, because obviously they ain't fucking fast, so I'm not even worried about it. And sometimes I do, from a red light, sometimes I start from a second gear. I don't really start from first. With the 373s, I really feel like the gearing is so short that going from first is just pointless, man. I go from first, and then at 8 miles an hour, I'm going to second. So I just started second just because there's enough torque there to, you know, launch perfectly fine. You know, you don't bog or anything. So I just go from second, man. It makes it easier on myself. Oh, snap. Oh, man, Gio's parts came in today. Nah, we'll get into that in a different subject. Nah, we'll get into it now. So, bro, Gio in the red 3-valve broke his pinion gear out of his diff. So, I had to order some 373s for him. And, well, he ordered 373s. They just showed up at my house to fix them up because that shit bad. He backed down again. I told him, man, 3-valves pricey. They like to break. I don't know why. It really just matters on the how the previous owner treated the car. He probably treated it like shit. He's probably racing everybody out here. But off topic. But like I was saying, the car is actually pretty dailyable. Like, actually not pretty dailyable. It's very dailyable. You can't even tell the car isn't stock other than the sound and maybe the smell of the gas or the fuel. But it runs perfectly fine. The only thing that y'all didn't get to see is the cold starts. Like, that was a fluke. What y'all seen was a fluke, I promise, because this car loves to have fucked up cold starts. Like, I'm talking, it's bad. I can't even explain it. It sounds like the car is untuned, and in a better aspect of the way I can say it, it feels like the car is untuned when you do a cold start. Like, it'll blah, 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 blah. Those are my sound effects for it. That's what it sounds like. It sounds like the car is dying. But other than that, you just get a little couple gas taps and it'll come right back to normal. I do have a lot of suspension mods on the way. I ordered the BMR radiator support, all BMR by the way. BMR radiator support without the sway bar, so I'm removing the front sway bar. I bought the double adjustable lower control arms, adjustable upper control arms, and the double adjustable panhard bar. Also got the upper control arm mount and the lower control arm mount. Either way, we're rolling on this, man. We're gonna get full BMR suspension. Once I'm done with that, we'll probably get the Viking shocks, front and rear. I was gonna do the coilovers, But I seen the price and I was like, maybe next time in the future. And then we got to start the weight reduction process. And then lastly, I'm gonna get to the trans. I know I should get to the trans first, but the trans been holding up well for me. I know the MT82 has a lot of issues, apparently, and I'll get to that later. I have a whole spare MT82 in my backyard that I could build, and then whenever this one goes out, I can swap it out. So I'll worry about that later. But as of right now, guys, thanks for watching the video. Tune into the next one. Next one, hopefully we're installing the parts. If not, maybe I might do something on the fly. We'll see you in the next video. You know, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. You know, I'll be having fun with this, y'all. I want y'all to have fun just as much as I'm having fun. So on that note, I'll see you on the next one.